Hello guys, this is Simple Mechanical Solutions. In this video, we'll show how to change your windshield wiper at home. Inspect for any cuts or cracks on your wiper blade. If any, change it. There are two types of wiper blades, hook type and pin type. In this video, we'll show hook type. To remove, rotate it and push down firmly until it unlocks. To install the brand new wiper blade, slide the wiper arm hook around the wiper blade fittings and pull up firmly until you hear a click sound. Thank you guys for watching Simple Mechanical Solutions. Please share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. For more updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.